Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef ribs. First, proper preparation is crucial for tender, flavorful results. Begin by carefully removing the silver skin membrane from the bone side of your beef ribs. This prevents a chewy texture. Next, trim any excessive fat, aiming to leave about 1/4 of an inch for moisture and flavor. Then, apply a light coating of Dijon mustard, which acts as an excellent binder for your chosen seasoning rub. Once prepped, it's time to season your ribs. A classic beef rub often includes coarse salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika for a bold flavor profile. You have several excellent cooking options. Smoking at around 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 10 hours imparts a deep, smoky taste. Alternatively, braising in a flavorful liquid like beef broth or red wine, or slow baking in your oven, will produce incredibly tender, juicy ribs. The secret to perfect beef ribs is cooking them low and slow. Whether smoking or baking, maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 225 and 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This extended cooking time, often 6 to 10 hours, allows the tough connective tissues to break down, resulting in extreme tenderness. Use a meat thermometer to track the internal temperature, targeting 203 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal doneness. If smoking, spritz the ribs every 45 to 60 minutes after the first 3 hours to keep them moist. After reaching the target internal temperature, the final crucial step is resting. Remove your beef ribs from the heat, wrap them in butcher paper or foil, and let them rest in an insulated cooler for at least 1 hour. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked ribs between the bones into individual portions. Serve them warm and enjoy the rich, savory flavor of your homemade beef ribs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.